Right now, we're seeing a sentiment score of plus 0.05 in renewable energy, which might not seem dramatic at first glance, but when you consider the momentum has dipped sharply at minus 0.34, it's clear something's shifting beneath the surface. This unusual combination suggests that while sentiment is slightly positive, there's a significant underlying pressure that's pulling things down. Our API returns a comprehensive breakdown of sentiment surrounding renewable energy, including semantic clusters, to help you understand the nuances behind the numbers. For example, you could use this data to refine your investment strategy by identifying emerging trends or potential risks based on the sentiment shifts. Dive deeper into the data that drives decision-making at pulsebit.logenterprise.com/docs.